What? Good morning, guys. So we are out here in Pien Luin and we are going to the northern Shan state to, you know, explore a waterfall with them. And today our guide will be. So what's your name?
Sain Jojo.
Sain Jojo. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Can't wait to climb the waterfall.
Back in the pickup.
Back in the pickup, always the adventure.
Yep.
Back to the other end when we fell down. We could not believe we would lose it all. Now the dreams are gone and faith has drowned.
Traffic jam. Yeah. Traffic jam in Myanmar be like. Hi guys. How's it going?
Bluetooth join လို့ရလား ခွင့်လိုက်အောင်
Yo.
ကျိုးပြုတ်ထားတယ်
What's up? Oh, that's very
ဘလို့
old.
ခွင့်လိုက်ရပြီလားဟုတ်ပြီ
Bye guys.
Everything we lost and we never found.
Oh, you're friendly. Nice. Cheers. La. La. Hey. Oh. Oh, the dogs are really friendly, man. Yes. Oh my god, guys, we haven't even started the trek yet, but I'm already loving this place, you know. We're just covered by clouds all around us. Can't really see much. There's a city down there, but I don't think my camera can capture it. But it's, you know, we haven't started the trek yet. It's already very, very beautiful. And the dogs here, they're lovely. They're really, really friendly. Hello. Oh, Bonnie. So many dogs. Look at those clouds just, you know, passing through the mountains. Woo. So just in case we run into any trouble, this guy brought a knife. Whew.
It's not a knife.
Cool stuff. Sword.
Never thought I'd see the end, but we went down. We could not believe everything would fall. All our dreams are gone, and now we.
So we have arrived at our destination, our final waterfall. As you can hear, the water is really, really big and really, really beautiful. Take a look. I'm just kidding. Let's go. Oh my god, guys, the waterfall behind me is gorgeous. You know, it's just, you know, flowing out from nowhere. The mountain ranges by the side. Wow! Damn! Di ma တိတ်ပြီးတော့အင်္ဂလိပ်လိုတိတ်ပြီးပြောလို့မရဘူးလို့ပြောတယ်ဒီမှာပြောနိုင်ငံသားတွေတိတ်ပြီးတော့လက်မခံဘူးလို့ပြောတယ်အဲကြောင့်လာလို့မရဟိုလာလို့ကိုမရ My guide said not allowed. So yeah, so I was just, you know, setting up my drone and then going out there to fly my drone, but I have no luck, man. I have no luck with drone shot. Some of the places I've been, they don't, you know, allow me to fly. But now it just started raining. No, not really rain, but it started drizzling, so all the raindrops stuck at my drone camera, so couldn't really get a shot of the waterfall. But you know, we're just chilling here, drinking coffee, and we just wait for the rain to stop and see if I can launch my drone out again. Wish me luck. How's that? Is it this? Is it this? I don't know about your signs, but guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. We will be walking up the waterfall and there's a pool down there. No, we'll just be swimming there. But yeah, cliff jumping and all the good stuff. But now there's like a drizzle, so we are just stopping by, you know, just chill because we have the whole day. Man, this is amazing, man. Can't wait to travel more with these guys. Fresh bamboo shoot. So guys, since we're going down the waterfall, you know, spending our whole day in the jungle, trekking up the waterfall and swimming, we're just packing lunch, and this guy is cooking lunch for us, freshly made. He's packing lunch. So it's gonna be our lunch. Fried egg with some peanuts. Thank you. The guy at the restaurant just packed our lunch using longji or sarong. Pretty cool, right? One 1050. Let's go. This is where the journey begins. Oh wow, look at how steep. Going down all the way. So the roads are pretty sketchy and very, very slippery. You just have to be careful. Okay. just going down all the way. Yo guys, let's go. Có đi thang không? Theo mình xem. Yeah. Wait. Just keep in your bag. I don't think you will need your shit anytime soon. Mày con này cha beli gì đó. Imagine you just sleeping here. Wow. Oh my god, this is amazing, man. Look at how sketchy, how scary, slippery the road is. Nice. Hey. Yeah. Hey bro. Just step on my head. It's okay, man. You just step on my head.
I can't even see where I'm going.
You good? Okay. This one. You see the hole here? Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Sketchy, bro. Throw low, yeah. This path is the most sketchy one. There is no ropes or bamboo. What the heck? Hold your hand. This is the kind of adventure that I want. Oh my god, we've been chilling for the past few days, so yeah, this is what we needed. Whew. Whoa. That's pretty high up. Oh my god, it goggled me. Oh no, Tio. Best. Oh, man. This gentleman right here, he's the guy who found this waterfall trekking, and it's really amazing how he came down all the way here without all these ropes, all these bamboo sticks. It's just amazing, man. We are already like half struggling with our way down here with the help of the road and the bamboo, but I don't know how you make it. Go Sanshi Inglava. Let's go, Eugene. Keep it up. So you fall, you die. There's no cover. You miss a step, just fall. Enjoy. See you guys later on. Whew. Oh wow. Oh wow, this road down though. Just wow. I mean, oh my god. I think we are halfway. Maybe not even halfway. Best. This is what I want. Oh my god. I go the town tell the town sena bo. To me I my video tin ha di loမျိုးတွေမရိုက်ထားဘူး။ဟုတ်တယ်။သူတို့ဆိုလမ်းလျှောက်တဲ့ဟာလေးပဲရိုက်ထား။ I think take one photo on three of us on this bridge. Okay. အရန်လွယ်တဲ့ဟာလိုမျိုးလိုလဲလား။အရန်လွယ်တဲ့ဟာတွေလိုမျိုးပဲဟိုဟာ you online မှာကြည့်ထား။တစ်ယောက်နှစ်ယောက်တော့တက်ထားတဲ့ဟာကိုရိုက်ထားလေကျွန်တော်တို့လိုမျိုး။ Bano pare. Ama slide kila.
Take one candid, all of us like walking.
The candy is there. Video. Pala yeah. Oh, he's taking bano. Big foot.
Slippery, more to slippery.
Yeah. If I gotta do it solo. Yeah. You're not taking your GoPro, right? No. Later down there, you pass me your SD card. Everything. Okay. Yeah. How to keep the mosquito away in the jungle? Yeah. We have come to a much easier path, but you know, still our rules still apply. You fall? Dive. Yes. Dive. Sai mà bao vậy thà. Whoa.
What? There was no place to grip, so watch your step.
You say it's okay to fall.
Whoa. I say just say only, okay? Whoa.
Hot. Almost. My mom's gonna kill me when she sees these videos. She'll be like, it's so slippery, it's so dangerous. Why the hell are you even filming yourself, you know, recording videos and stuff like that? I have a lot of footage of Danish climbing down. Enjoy, bro.
Waterfall.
Guys, can you hear the sound of the waterfall? That's our reward. Wow. You see that? Wow. We were up there 1.5 hours ago. But now